You know, it's death by 1,000 cuts with the EPA. Each one only costs a little bit. It's kind of like why we have DOGE right now. It only costs a little bit to have 2 or 3 extra people on each job. It only costs a little bit to add another regulation that does not make sense. It does not accomplish anything. These businesses are dying because one regulation at a time, for no reason other than to create jobs for some bureaucracy, we continue to have those. Mr. Speaker, I rise today in strong support of House Resolution 61 to repeal yet another burdensome regulation from the Biden administration that threatens American jobs and manufacturing, some of those that are in my district. Although it may only be a few that are recognized, one of those is in my district. This rule imposes costly, unnecessary mandates that do little to improve the environment, but will drive up costs, hurt businesses, and put hard-working Americans at risk or out of work. In my district and across the country, the manufacturers provide good-paying jobs and support families and strengthen our economy. But under this rules, companies will be forced to take on massive new costs that will either be passed on to consumers or result in lost jobs and closed facilities. We cannot afford to let Washington bureaucrats dictate policies that weaken American industries and send our opportunities overseas. I urge my colleagues to support House Resolution 61 and to push back against the reckless regulatory overreach. American workers and businesses deserve better. I yield back.
And I would ask the gentleman before he yields back, are you trying to tell us, are you telling the American people that it's only a minor rule, as one of our colleagues said, it's only a minor rule if it doesn't apply to you?
If it doesn't apply to you, and also thousands of those minor rules add up over time.
I appreciate it. I reserve.